Hi dear friends, we have a product named Fairtop Fast Floor Micro. Fairtop Fast Floor Micro is a cementitious self-smoothing flooring designed to renovate floor without the mess, dirtiness and cost of traditional works. The selected aggregates in the formulation increase the abrasion resistance of the floor and guarantees long-lasting performance. The benefits of using Fairtop Fast Floor Micro are as under. It is pre-packed and ready to use. It achieves exceptional drying and curing time while at the same time delivering a strong level platform. It is suitable for thickness ranging from 1 to 2 mm. It provides hygienic, aesthetic, non-porous and a dust-free floor. It is dimensionally stable and can be installed in a large area. Fairtop Fast Floor Micro is impervious to liquids but permeable to water vapor. It has excellent thermal expansion properties similar to concrete. Fairtop Fast Floor Micro is non-shrinking and vibration resistant and anti-skid product. It is suitable for repairs of old floors and toppings for new floors. Fairtop Fast Floor Micro is available in cement grey, red and green color. Fairtop Fast Floor Micro is suitable for use in industrial warehouses, factories and suitable for use in schools, hospitals, commercial buildings, upgrading and refurbishing of existing internal concrete slabs. It can also be suitable for use in car parking and light to medium engineering operations. Fairtop Fast Floor Micro is a pre-blending compound having selected cements, hard-wearing graded aggregates modified with special polymers and flow agents. It is supplied as a dry powder which requires only the addition of water to produce a self-smoothing, free-flowing material. Now before application of Fairtop Fast Floor Micro, priming is required. Priming is required and undertaken with Faircrete SBL, an acrylic primer. Now apply 2 coats of primer by roller, brush or spray. Apply the primer to the prepared surface and allow drying, normally by overnight. For the second coat, dilute 1 part of Faircrete SBL to 3 parts water and apply the previous coat. Now allow to become touch dry before application of Fairtop Fast Floor Micro. Fairtop Fast Floor Micro is mixed applied by a specialist mixer or pump. Measure 3.6 liters cold potable water into a suitable sized mixing vessel and mix full bag of Fairtop Fast Floor Micro. Mix the composition for 3 to 5 minutes until a homogeneous mix is observed. Mixing shall be carried out with a slow speed drill by about 400 to 500 rpm fitted to a paddle attachment. The application process for Fairtop Fast Floor Micro is as under. Pour the material immediately after completion of mixing on the dry primed surface, spread it with a towel and allow to self-level. The required thickness must be achieved in one application. For best results, the pouring and leveling should be continuous process. If complete flooring is to be done, Material pouring shall be started from dead end, that is from the farthest end of the entry or exit location. Please note that if the mix stiffens, it should be discarded immediately. Do not attempt to remix with water. Fairtop Fast Floor Micro is available in 18 kg HDPE bags with the coverage of 1.8 kg per meter square at 1 mm thickness. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.